If you have a website or landing page but not using email marketing, then you are losing lots of opportunities. By using email marketing, you can easily improve your business revenue up to 30% to 40%. MailerLite is a well-optimized email marketing tool. Using this, you can do email templates, create automation, create website, sign up from and landing page as well. The support system of MailerLite is really great. On live chat, you will get response within 5 minutes. MailerLite integration works with all popular platforms like Stripe, Zapier, Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, PayPal, Facebook, and ClickFunnels as well. Here you will get lots of pre-made email template design, and you can choose a beautiful one matched with your business. You can see different pricing plans on MailerLite. It offers a free plan as well. So you can try this free plan. If it works fine for you, then you can go with the paid plan. The growing business plan starts at $9 per month, and the advanced plan starts at $18 per month if you go with the yearly plan. Now I want to share a special bonus for you. Right now MailerLite is offering a Cyber Week sale, and you will get 90% off on your first month. And this offer will be valid for December 7th. If you go with the growing business plan, it will start at only $1 per month. If you go with the advanced plan, it will start at only $2 per month. On the advanced plan, you will get the new cool feature, AI Writing Assistant and Subject Line Generator. It will save you lots of time. If you are serious about your business, then go with the annual plan. You will get 33% off on the annual advanced plan. That means you are getting 4 months free. I will give the link in the description so that you will get the right offer for you. If you compare the MailerLite price with Mailchimp and get response, then you will see the pricing really low in MailerLite. So if you already using another platform and you want to transfer to MailerLite, let me know in the comments section. I will help you on that as well. Check out my other email marketing video on this channel. Thank you.